Hello everyone, today I will show you the unboxing of the Pepetools oval disc cutting kit. I am super excited for this one as it's been on my list forever and you'll see why. It's extremely precise and well made and it's produced in Oklahoma by Pepetools. When I opened the box, I was very happy to see how each element was packed and protected. First element is the base to hold your disc cutter with all the pieces in one place. Then we have Pepe loop that's used to condition the edges of the punches, and now the main thing. This is the oval cutter with punches, instructions with all necessary information, and the urethane 6-inch cutting pad which helps you with cutting and absorbing the blow. The oval cutter and punches are carefully wrapped in a plastic bag and oil-soaked paper to keep the tool protected. That's how the oval cutter looks like. There are 6 oval cutters in different sizes and each is marked with proper size marking. In the center, there's a stainless steel knob which is used to open and adjust the tool plates. 6 punches have angled cutting face, which helps with easier and more precise cutting. And that's how you can store your disc cutter. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. Stay tuned for a review video which, as usual, will include a project completed using this disc cutter. Thanks so much for watching, take care and see you soon!